और Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabari kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki Ngut ki besyak kem dangshan haloga kes ke bede bak Jingshah Pynïap Raja Raghuvanshi kata usilom James unong pin betor ke yeng wai bepinri ye ke sonam ungan khat Sngi ha judicial custody kat baulo kendra sing tomar utrajong ke yeng bak sonam kritingan kilangat khat Sngi ha ka judicial custody berubi lapat unong apahara ubayarap utrayeng pansay tu ikitiar ka sonam naga yeng wai he indoor la pengat Sngi ha ka judicial custody kini hadian belawan ra iki syaka yeng bishar bentaka janmit jongka altrik naitung arajar alpusan.
Today, this Shilom James, Lokendra Singh Tomar and Billa, they were produced before the Honorable Court after their judicial custody. And IU has prayed for 14 days judicial custody for both the accused. And from the prosecution side, I appeared as an APP. And from the Legal Aid Council, they appeared on behalf of all the accused. And court, after hearing at length, court has granted 14 days judicial custody to Shilom James and other two accused, that is Billa and Lokendra, 7 days judicial custody.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.